Here we go. One more round of applause, Liberian, ladies and gentlemen.
Good afternoon, Blockchain Live. Good afternoon, respected jury. My name is Timur El-Gohari. I am an entrepreneur with 30 years experience in IT, a scientist, engineer, and PhD in medical science. My first business project I started when I was 16. It was a telecommunication company that I built and then I sold. But today I will tell you about new significant project in my life. But first of all, I would like to ask you, who of you passed identity verification more than one time this year, last 6 months? Hands up. Okay. This is how things are going. Every day we trade our privacy. Every day our privacy for access, for speed. As Pavel Durov said, we lose control on the internet, we lose control on our private data. And that's why the trust is broken. But now I will show you how we fix it. The old way of KYC, repeated KYC, is friction, leaks, bots. The new way that we offer, instead of files and forms, we provide a new way that is decentralized. Just a free way of compliance. And who we are? We are in vGlobal, the global identity verification platform, proven, and with millions of verification per month. We cover most of the countries all over the world, most of types of documents, and we've done it at scale. We also have experience in blockchain. 3 years ago, Vitalik Buterin told us about new kind of soul-bound token, new identity token that you own that is not transferable. And 2 years before, we started to create a new blockchain. We call it blockchain of trust, protocol of trust. And we did it. Meet digital Liberian Passport, the new kind of SNFT token, soul-bound NFT token for people, companies, projects. The token that gives you ability to sign in and sign pay, encrypted docs, messaging, encrypted messaging, processing, and vault sharing. How it works? Verify once, get digital passport, one-click authentication and registration. And that's it. Consent-based, non-personal data on-chain, just hashes and timestamps via TrustGate. Sign and pay as simple as usual. Sign with the Liberian, confirm and sign, and you're in and you can pay in one click. EDC signatures, wallet signatures, all are inside. DocuSign class. This is way how we can sign any documents, like offline or online. For example, you can sign it in the cafe with your friend, or you can sign it online. The same, you can pay in any sites with one click, like on this slide. How it works? Our blockchain is secured by design. This is proof of authority blockchain. Very fast, instant transactions, scalable, EDC signature inside, private docs, encrypted store, selective disclosure, zero knowledge proof, and all of this based on post-quantum cryptography. The cryptography that protects you from next computing, quantum computing. Also, we have verified marketplace. What is this? Imagine the city where you know each other, where you know your neighbors, you know the people that are living in. So, how the process will go in this city? I think very fast. This marketplace is the same, but for all the world. This is marketplace for people, companies, projects, where you can sign documents and answer any project just one click. We have also Liberian coin, that is for fees, governance, utility token, utility coin, and for rewards. We have a SDK. You can build any application for our website just in 1-2 days. There are many use cases there. It can be useful. I already told you about signing, referrals, rental services for all kind of groups of people and companies. Our MVP, we are going to involve more than 50 companies all over the world and to 5 million users until 2028. Our vision that all of people, about 30% of population on internet will have digital passport very soon, and also AI agents and bots. Join the nation of trust, become citizen of Liberian, scan QR codes, phones up, and join our community. We are waiting you at our booth to answer your questions. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause. And how about our judges? Do we have any? Yes, we've got a comment over here.
Alice here from CMC. Thank you very much for the presentation. Can you touch a little bit upon the compliance risk here, aka how do you get the business to accept this? And have you heard of something called UAE Pass? It's like a digital identity as well.
Yes.
How do you do this across different governments?
As I told you, this is token that you own. So we build a system where people can own their identity. They encrypt their passports or any other documents inside the application, and they have option where to keep it or how to share it. It's not about government, but of course we are going to connect to the system like EUD, but it's the next step. First of all, we provide the protocol where people can encrypt and keep their information. Not in the blockchain, of course. The blockchain just hashes and timestamps. But for example, in IPFS, in decentralization, decentralized storage, I mean. So, answering your question, of course, like as a KYC company, verification company, and the global is our company. Of course, we are going to follow the compliance in all the countries. But now we work in MENA, in Asia, and Latin America. But of course, next step, we connect all the system together.
Amazing. Do we have any other questions from our panel here at the front? Yeah.
Hi. Thank you so much for your presentation.
Thank you.
Yeah, you've explained what would be your go-to-market strategy later on, but I'm curious how you will attract users now in the first stage.
Okay, we have referral system. You can find our tokenomic, Liberianomic in our website, of course, but we have the system that we can compare the social mining. So we release coins when people involve new citizens. So in this case, of course, we are interested to involve as much companies, first of all, SAS services, where people can log in with one click, and it will be attractive. Now we have partners, for example, payment systems, lawyer companies, where you can log in to sign documents or to get a service.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And how about any other panelists? Do we have any other questions? Or is that all good? Well, thank you very much. Liberian right there. We do have a present to give you from our sponsor of the
really?
Startup Pitch. So can a representative from AID